In 2010, the crew of a lifeboat snagged their mooring line on a heavy object.
We hauled the chains to the surface, and lo and behold, the propeller was actually wound up in the chains.
The unusual find was quickly identified as a large aircraft propeller.
So why would you want to remove the front of a flying boat?
That's a big question.
But where had it come from? And was the rest of the aircraft still there?
3, 2, 1, drop!
Although we're not that far from the shore, you can see how difficult this dive is. And it's an enormous, great commercial vessel which is just going to come up and go into Southampton docks. That, of course, causes a lot of problems.
The lost flying boat, coming soon to Plano.